In this video, we'll take a look at list views and see why they're an excellent way to see multiple records simultaneously. Let's select the Vehicle Inventory tab to provide us with an example of a list view. If you notice, it's set up a lot like an Excel spreadsheet, with the fields across the top, which would make up the rows, and the actual records down columns. And if you'd like to drill down into this list view, you can simply click on whichever link you'd like to see. Because I'm the administrator, you see I have the option to edit, delete, or create a new list view. If you did not create this list view, you would only be able to clone or create a new list view. The difference between clone is it gives you an exact copy that you can edit and change, versus create new, which brings you to a blank custom list view to start from scratch. We're looking at all vehicles in stock for this particular dealership. Let's modify this list view by clicking Clone, or in this example, Edit. The first step we need to do is rename the list view. Rather than see all the vehicles in stock, let's make a list view to see vehicles that are retail ready. When you change the view name, it's important that you change the unique name as well. The easiest way to change the unique name is to simply delete it. Go back up to the view name and tab down. The unique name simply puts an underscore where there's a blank space in the view name. The second step is to come down and select what filters in order to separate our data. We're going to add a third field because what we're looking for is the status of retail ready. A quick way to go through the long list is to simply enter the first letter, scroll down, and there's status. Select enter. Status is going to equal a value. If you click on this find icon, it'll show you all your options. And we know that R stands for retail ready. So let's recap the filters. We're going to look at all vehicle inventory at the 82 location that are in stock under a status of retail ready. The third step in modifying a list view is to select the fields to display. We would like to add days sellable. Once that's highlighted, simply click Add. Now that we've added this to our fields, let's move it up to its next to days in stock. As the administrator, I have a fourth step, and this is to choose the restricted visibility. Because I'm creating this list view as an example, I'm going to choose that it's only visible to me. The last step is to either save or save as. The difference is if you click Save, the original list view will be modified and lost. I'll choose Save As and create a new list view. We now see that status has been included as a field, and only retail ready cars in inventory are displayed. The other field we added, days sellable, which shows us how many days the vehicle has been in our possession versus how many days it's been retail ready. That covers the majority of how you edit and create a list view.